It's the holidays, and for that special lady in your life, I've got some great gift suggestions. One of my favorites is Baccarat, and these beautiful butterflies that I found at Geary's are great for a bedside, a dresser, a beautiful table, just to set out and be special. They come in all kinds of colors. I love skulls, and so one of my favorite brands is the Deacon Voltaire. I get these at Bloomie's. They're just fun, great to wear. And for the lady in your life who's got very curly hair but wants it straight sometimes, but she travels, a great Flatiron from Drybar. It's got the dual voltage, you could take it anywhere you want, and it works really, really well. These gorgeous candles are wonderful for a tabletop. I've got a big one in my bathroom. I love these Baobab candles. Again, found them at Geary's. They come in several scents, and I think they're so special with these gorgeous glasses that they come in. I think that ladies love to collect items, and one of the very fun things to do is to collect these lovely little Herend animals. A favorite, when pigs fly, right? Or if you've got a chef in your life, like me, this little blue bunny. Chef bunny, see the little carrot on his tray? So, so cute. And everybody has got pictures that they want on frames. I like pewter because you don't have to polish it. These beautiful ones from Match Pewter are some favorites. And I love water at night. And so for my bedside, this gorgeous crystal carafe and a glass fits right over the top like that. And I've got water all night. And these are just some great ideas for that special lady in your life.